Okay, right. Okay. I'm gonna have this on the synthetics, but I'm just gonna film the filling phrases today on half load wash synthetics. So I'm just gonna press. I'm not too sure what to put this on at the moment. Bear with me. Need an extra rinse. So I'm gonna quick one. Um, yeah, and that should be right. I'm just gonna film the filling phase today. Half what it does on half load. So there we go. That's how much I've put in. Like and comment and subscribe. I'd much appreciate it. Let's start. Also, let's go. away. And I'll show you what the KG detector does as well. Right, that's jumped to 1 hour and 6 minutes now, but that's not the official timing of the wash. It's just did that because I think it's the heating sensor that cooks that up a bit, but that's not the final score. It will go up probably either up or down, so if that goes down, that'll mean it will be sent to the half load wash, but if it goes up or stays like that, it means it's going to class as a medium to full load. And that's when it does like medium water level and still 4 deep rinses at the end. Sometimes deep rinses, it depends what it feels like. You see how the claws have gone there. It's all like spreaded out a bit now. I'm just going to focus on this KG detector because I don't think I've shown you this before, what it does. Right, okay, it's just jumped by 2 minutes. That means it's going to do a medium to full load wash. So it'll still do the 4 deep rinses at the end. In fact, I don't think it does. I think it does 2 medium rinses and then 2 deep rinses. I'm not totally sure. I always keep forgetting. Yeah, so that's the time it's going to take now.